so you can get drippy with Ocean Views Beauty. You know what I'm saying? So we're definitely 5 weeks woofing. We're definitely trying to keep the hair laid down. So we're still working and training this crown. As you can see on my right side, it's, we're gonna have to get that laid down more over the taper. But we will talk more about that later. Make sure you go to oceanviewsbeauty.com. We got apparel, mask. Use my code YoungBat at checkout. I'll see you in the next one. You already know what it is. Your boy Young Batman. We in the building.